A lot of really good salespeople generally quite struggle when it comes to building teams or scaling their business. The reason they struggle is because they need to build good leaders in order to succeed as some sort of scaling model. The problem with that, though, and why they struggle to build good leaders, is it's the same reason that made them good at selling in the first place. As salespeople, especially top-tier salespeople, we are very, very competitive. The problem with being competitive is that there is some ego involved. Now, people really love using ego in a negative connotation, and they need to understand that an ego is on a spectrum, it's a scale. You can't have too much ego where you can't be humble and own your losses and really have that accountability, but you can't be completely devoid of any ego because then you have no real desire to win and accomplish things. The problem with having that ego that it takes to be really good at sales is you want to be the hero all the time. If you put the work in, you want the accolade. The problem with that is that that's a big shadow to cast and it doesn't leave a lot of victory for everyone else. What you need to be is that rather than being Hercules, you need to be Phil. You need to be the coach. You need to be the one that helps those heroes, become those legends. And it's hard for us because it's so easy to go in and save the day on a sale, to go in and see something big happen and you know that you put the work in and put your hand up and say, that was me that did it. But what does that do for the big picture when it comes to helping grow leaders? What you need to be doing is giving away your wins. I have a saying is you've got to own your losses, but you've got to give away your wins. If you're really trying to grow something, you've had your time. You've had your time to be the hero. Now is your time to be the person that creates that. Don't be Hercules, be Phil.